My name is Benji Kramer. I am the Senior Manager of IT Services at Friedman Huey Associates. One of my roles is to focus on all of the technology needs and innovation that we have at Friedman Huey Associates. And I've been doing this for about 7 years and working for the firm for 11. So one of my team members attended a webinar and really fell in love with the idea of the product and brought it back to our innovation team. And after that, a group of our partners had gone to a BDO conference, and they mentioned that there's this great program out there called SafeSend Returns, and we need to really investigate it. So we spent some time looking into that, and then I attended SurePrep Transform, and SafeSend was a co-sponsor of that. And that was really how we were introduced to the product and saw all the benefits and items that it could do for our firm.